This is the Al Arabi side of Kuwait that will be playing against East Bengal at the Salt Lake Stadium today. The Al Arabi team will be playing their match in the AFC Champions League 2. Yes, East Bengal's new season is just 3 months old and the reigning ISL champions are already facing the Asian football at a time when the team hardly looks to have started the ignition. Yes, on paper, it takes Antonio Lopez Habas side will be facing that Al Arabi Sports Club of Kuwait in the AFC Champions League 2 qualifier. Yes, at the Salt Lake Stadium. As all you know, the East Bengal is having some sort of problem and most of the players are not available for this match. But this side looks very tough. Yes, the Al Arabi side from Kuwait, they are having practice at the Salt Lake Stadium. Yes, Al Arabi from Kuwait was the first Kuwait team to compete in the AFC Cup. Yes, the winners of Kuwait Emir Cup in 2008. Al Arabi Sports Club has 64 official trophies next to its name, 62 domestic and 2 GCC. Yes, the most of any Kuwait football team. Al Arabi Sports Club's stadium is Sabah Al Salem Stadium in Mansuria, a suburb of the capital of the country, that is Kuwait City. It is the second largest stadium in Kuwait and it had the same points as Kuwait SC in 2014-15. Al Arabi is the only team, yes, it's the only team in Kuwait that has never lost in the Kuwait Super Cup, holding both records for appearances in the final. Yes, in the final of the Kuwait Crown Prince Cup 4 consecutive times, tied with Kuwait Sports Club, and in the Kuwait Emir Cup going to the final consecutive 11 times since 1962 to 73, more than any Kuwaiti team. East Bengal is having problems with foreigners as they have registered with 3 foreigners for this match. They are Daniel Ramirez and Chris Economidis, as well as they retained Mohammad Rashid, who was in the press conference. So, East Bengal is going into the match not as a favorite, as Kuwaiti side is very strong with 6 foreigners. Antonio Habas, during the pre-match news conference, tried to take the rough with the smooth. A lot will depend on the Anwar Ali led all-Indian defense against the Kuwaiti side, which has come here with its full foreign power and playing friendlies against top sides in Turkey. In Palestinian striker they have Zayed Kunbar, Nigerian striker Anayo Iwoala and Brazilian Lucas Shalon. The visitors under Croatian coach Goran Sablic have both pace and potency in the attacking third. We know, yes, Sablic, the coach of this side, that is Al Arabi Sporting Club, that from Kuwait, the goalkeepers are practicing here. We know that we are facing a very good team who will play in front of their fans, but we are here to play football and not focus on atmosphere, Sablic told reporters in the pre-match conference. However, given the nature of the one-off contest, East Bengal veteran Spanish coach won't mind frustrating the opponents with a battle of attrition and dragging it to a likely tiebreaker. This is why Dixon Singh and Rashid could be employed as defensive midfielders ahead of that back line. We didn't have too much time for preparation for this match, as Habas told. This may not be the best situation for us, but I hope that Habas told that he hoped that we will deal with it with a tactical game and a 100% dedication. Yes, 100% dedication he needs from the players. The players have to sacrifice a lot. They need to be disciplined and perform well to live up to the challenge, as told by Habas. And this is the Kuwait side, Al Arabi, who is playing East Bengal in the AFC Champions League 2. They have Abdullah Amar, the Kuwait defender, then Mohammad Khalid Jumma Aboud, he is from Syria, then Badr Al Fadi, he is from Kuwait, Hussein Askrani, and there are many players who have performed well in their domestic league. So, all set for the match between East Bengal and this side, that is Kuwait Sports Club, Al Arabi, this at Salt Lake Stadium. You see that is the Sablic, the coach of the Kuwait side, Al Arabi. Yes, going through the paces there, Al Arabi player at Salt Lake Stadium, as they will face local giant East Bengal in the AFC Champions League 2. This is Kuwait side.
লেখা আছে ব্রাজিল ব্রাজিল
একটু একটু লেখা রয়েছে সেরা সেরা সার্চ করে দিলেও পেয়ে যেতে পারে।
Arabi.
আরবি আরবি
Arabi.
লেখা আছে